श्रीलंका के साथ गोटाबाया में सियासी समझ नहीं है, उनकी कुछ पॉलिसियां ऐसी हैं जो मुल्क के इक़्तिसादी बहरान के लिए जिम्मेदार है। ये कहना है साबिक वजीर पातली का, जो न्यूज़18 से खुसूसी बातचीत कर रहे थे।
तो मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं पातली चंपिका, जो राजपक्षे सरकार में पूर्व मंत्री रहे हैं। सर, वेलकम टू नेटवर्क 18। माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू सर, श्रीलंका इज फेसिंग द वर्स्ट क्राइसिस एवर। हाउ you are seeing this present scenario?
Actually, we were having kind of a financial problem, especially the debt repayment problem, and it leads to kind of an economic crisis. And now this economic crisis is leading towards kind of a political crisis and the social explosion.
What do you think? What are the reasons responsible for this crisis?
Basically, because we got a lot of non-concessional loans after 2005 to 2015 period, by way of raising international sovereign bonds and Sri Lanka development bonds, all are dollars and euro bonds, right? They are actually short-term loans with high interest, and we invested these loans to develop expressway network, the highway network, ports, airports, and other fancy things as well. But unfortunately, without complying or adhering to the proper feasibility or the financial study, so no revenue at all. That's why we are facing this thing.
People are